Hello, this is BlondeKyiv and today we will explore the best Christmas locations in Kyiv. Hello, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! This year we are lucky enough to be able to enjoy Christmas with fresh snowfall. Unfortunately, not every December do we have snow near the New Year's tree. Now we are near the main New Year's tree of Ukraine, located on Sofiivska square in Kyiv. To be honest, I was surprised with how many people were here. I was here for the official lighting ceremony on the 18th of December. The official lighting of the New Year's tree and the beginning of the Christmas markets occurs every year on the 19th of December, coinciding with our religious holiday, Saint Nicholas Day. This year, this long-standing tradition was changed to December 18. Why? Who knows? Let's take a walk around and start our tour of the Christmas market. Everything is available in the Christmas market: food and hot wine, the carousel and ice rink. In addition to that, very cold temperatures. What a great idea to stay in the cold with these poor horses for people to ride. Our next location is Podil. This year, the first outdoor skating path in Ukraine was opened, which is over 200 meters long. By the way, in this place you will find way more food than on the main square. Look at these meats and sausages. Amazing decorations. I love this place. Our next location is near the President office. Here you can find ice skating, the office of Saint Nicholas, some small markets and the carousel. This is Kyiv Food Market. This is a place to find a gathering of different restaurants and cafes with different types of food. I like the decoration, and especially in one location you will find a restaurant with huge bubbles where people eat. It's much more interesting than sitting near the window. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like all Christmas decorations that I show you today. So, see you soon. Don't forget like, follow and subscribe. Ciao!